Brothers, this car has a strange issue. Look, I'm starting it now. See? It starts fine, but when I ease off the gas, it stalls on its own. Any idea why? Let's check under the hood. This has bugged the owner for months. Used to stall at lights, now won't start at all. Owners tried everything. Brakes, oil, filters, throttle. Spent over $200, still not fixed. He reached out to me. Today we'll try to solve this once and for all. Only 3 possible causes: fuel, electrical, or air system. Fuel and electrical seem fine. Owners checked those, so it's likely the air system. I suspect one part that's often overlooked by mechanics. Look here, it's the idle air control valve. Let's check it out. Removal simple. Unplug it, then unscrew. See? Screws out. This tool's cheap, just a few bucks. All screws removed. Now let's pull out the valve. Here it is. Valve looks fine outside. Let's check the line. Found the issue. Normally it should move freely, but it's stuck. Let's see if we can loosen it. Good, it's loose.
Let's take it apart. Valve line looks okay, but look here. All this carbon buildup's the culprit. Now that we've found the cause, isn't the solution simple? First, put paper towels down to avoid staining the car. Then use cleaner to wash off the dirt. See? It's not too dirty. Now clean the valve wire as well. Use dry paper towels to wipe off the cleaner. Dry the valve line too. Add some oil to lubricate this shaft. Finally, reinstall the valve wire. Okay, let's test it after putting it back. Look, isn't it working normally now? Let's reinstall this valve and test if the problem's solved. Tighten the screws. This is an EGR valve. It intakes air at the start and exhausts at the head. It's closed when cold, opens when you accelerate while hot. If stuck, it'll close on ignition, causing overheating and auto shutdown. Plug in the valve. Now that it's installed, I'll start the car to test it. Folks, if the problem's solved, please like and support us. Now let's witness the moment of truth. Watch closely. Step on the brake. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Did you see that trick? I didn't even touch the gas pedal. Look at that power. Let's check the front. Smooth power. Problem solved, right? Pretty simple, huh? Follow us for daily frontline updates. Thanks for your support.